asking me, will our love grow? Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. You stick around and it may show. Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and over here, the lovely and talented Natasha. Ningikendanziin, Weenie Moshane. Say hello, sweetheart.
Hello, sweetheart.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh,
Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I don't know. Gaawiin. No. Ningikendanziin. No, I understand not. No, I don't know. I don't know, man.
I don't know.
Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I think it's okay to say, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Is that pipeline a bad idea or a good idea? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't heard a good argument. Is it environmentally bad to replace a 60-year-old pipeline for oil? Is oil really that bad? I don't know. We are the water protectors.
Yeah.
You better get out there and stop them oil pipelines. I was like, well,
No line 3.
what happened down in, what was that place? The Gulf of Mexico. Remember when all that oil spilled for just days? I guess, you know,
That was nuts.
oil just sunk back down to the earth. I don't know. Even a worst case scenario, what is the risk we're talking about here? I don't know. Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I wish the news would inform me a little better. I guess I could look it up. But I can't be bothered.
No.
Why? Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I don't know. I can't be bothered. That's my favorite expression these days. Oh, I can't be bothered with that. There was a time I might have bothered, but now I can't be bothered. Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. Is our New Year's Eve party going to be fun?
I hope so.
Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I don't know. It's going to be live. Michael's gonna break out the guitar and sing, huh? Huh, Niji? Yeah, I suppose it will. So I don't know. Gaawiin Ningikendanziin. I don't know. But what I do know is you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
That's Michael. And I will see you again.
Gaawiin. La 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 la. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the show. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't.
It's a little bit funny this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof and kicked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words.